What's up, guys?
Hello.
We are at Doe Mountain Trail
So cool.
at Red Rock State Park in
Sedona, Arizona.
It's awesome. Really cool. Haven't even gone very far yet.
It's really red.
It's really red. It's the name, Red Rock.
Yep.
So yeah, we'll show you the views at the top, but this is what we're looking at currently.
So we're getting close to the top and we are seeing lots and lots of red. Look at that super cool like cutout over there. I think we're getting closer. Chad's all the way over there already. Coming.
So we're almost to the top. We got one last climb to go.
So we made it to the top, but you still have to walk up here on the plateau to go find the view. Alright guys, so we are heading back down.
Yep.
We just got done at the top.
It was amazing.
Taking in the views.
Yeah,
it's
unreal.
Literally perfect, yeah.
I mean, yeah, it's literally perfect.
So
I'm speechless right now.
But anyways, we're gonna head back down and we will catch you at the bottom. Where are we at, babes?
What is it? The Chapels of the Holy Cross?
Yeah.
Right?
The guy took us with the
Just casually on the highway. It's fine. As long as this guy's happy.
Hey, it's all for y'all.